Hello and welcome back to the Desert Stories. This is Sunita Sharma. Let's have a look at the headlines. The Sultanate of Oman, represented by the Central Bank of Oman, participated in the 78th meeting of GCC Committee for Central Bank's Governors, held at GCC Secretariat General in Riyadh, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, today. Oman's delegation was headed by Tahir Salim Al Amri, CBO's executive president. The committee discussed the supervision and oversight over the banking sectors in the GCC, as well as the payment systems, GCC fintech developments, and banking cybersecurity. His Highness Sheikh Ammar bin Humaid Al Nomi, Crown Prince of Ajman and Chairman of Ajman Executive Council, revealed a new sustainable and creative vision for the Emirate in the final plenary session of the opening day of 2022 World Government Summit in Dubai. The session was attended by His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Deputy Ruler of Dubai, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance. Introducing Ajman Vision 2030, the Crown Prince of Ajman said the next phase of the Emirates' development will witness more support to establish an incubator environment for creativity and to multiply the artistic, cultural and sports activities. The government will continue to support artistic and creative talents in a way that contribute to enriching our culture and heritage. Private equity and capital growth in Saudi Arabia is now at Saudi Riyal 12 billion, which is equal to $3.2 billion, doubling in the last 5 years, according to Mohammed Al Quais, Chairman of the Board of the Capital Market Authority. While speaking at the Global Entrepreneurship Congress 2022 in Riyadh, Al Quais cited the vitality of fintech companies in the business sector, and he explained how the advent of these companies has reshaped the Saudi economy. Fintech itself eases financing. If you have a good idea with a good management team, you can get funded in minutes, in comparison to a few years ago when it took months or even years, said Al Quais. Under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Khalid bin Hamad Al Khalifa, First Deputy Chairman of the Supreme Council for Youth and Sports, President of the General Sports Authority and President of Bahrain Olympic Committee, the Micro Shabab Youth Forum kicked off today in the presence of 1,300 young people in Sheikh Abdulaziz bin Mohammed Al Khalifa Hall at University of Bahrain. The 3-day event will feature high-ranking speakers from the public and private sectors, as well as entrepreneurs who will be discussing their journeys in converting their ideas into successful projects. Qatar and Egypt announced in a joint statement their decision to form a joint committee headed by the foreign ministers of the two countries with the aim of continuous consultation and strengthening cooperation and coordination in all fields. The announcement came during a meeting held on Monday, March 28, 2022 in Cairo between Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs, His Excellency Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman Al Thani, and Minister of Foreign Affairs of Egypt, His Excellency Sameh Shoukry. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more desert stories. Till then, take care. Thank you.